Okay, so I got this little vacuum, just like many of you other folks. And so this was like one of the last in stock, whatever. Was supposed to be brand new. At least I was under the impression it was. If you look over here, when you look at these brushes, those are frayed, and those don't look brand new at all to me. So, not sure what's going on there. But then on top of that, the vacuum itself, I've used it like twice now. Because every time I use it, it goes into a loop in a back corner over there. And unlike other vacuums, this one has, it doesn't, I guess the living room doesn't have to be mapped or anything has to be mapped before it actually starts doing its job. It literally goes at random directions and random patterns. So, the app that controls this particular device is called Tuya. And it controls light bulbs, it controls so many other things as well. However, while it is one of those, hey, it's an app that controls everything, it's absolutely garbage. It's so limited, it's ridiculous. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing started. That way I can show you what it's about to do. Alexa, turn on vacuum.
Okay.
Yep. Wreck your base. There you go. Try to suck up your base. Yeah, that was really bad. Why it doesn't back out then turn? No idea. I blame it on software issues. So there it goes, at random. And you see that? That's because see those brushes? Those brushes are going underneath and rolling with it. They're not actually spinning. There it goes bumping in the wall. And so this vacuum is supposed to go in a certain pattern. Tried that, didn't work. Tried going in some other method, didn't work either. It's absolutely a nightmare. Then on top of that, this comes with a mop built into it, right? Okay, so it started mopping the carpet. It was unable to make the difference between a carpet and tile. It literally would mop the carpet. Yep, there you go, bumping into the wall. Yeah, see, it's not supposed to do that. Now, if I do this number, Alexa, pause the vacuum. Oh, shoot. Alexa, pause the vacuum.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Of course you're not sure. Okay, so I'm going to do this manually. Let's go ahead and pause this. One moment here. Let me pull this brush out. 1 second. Okay. Look at this thing. It's pushing up. Because you see, these are supposed to be flexible. Well, it's pushing up. See how frayed that is? Hang on, let me focus on it. Yep. So let me put it down like that. You see, that's not supposed to push up like that. Look how high up the ground it is. And so what ends up happening is it's making this bounce. Now, if I only leave one on there, now it goes about no problem whatsoever. The other brush is actually in contact. Let's see here. Is it in contact or is it just gliding everywhere? Yeah, so I literally just bought this. This is the third time it's active. And I already have to replace the brush. It's absolutely redundant. Very stupid. Alright, well, that's my rant. If I had to recommend somebody to buying this particular device, I would say it is a hard no. And by the way, this device goes for like $700. Not worth it. Anyway, have a nice day, guys.
Map really works, as you see. I could definitely recommend this to everyone. Buy this, you will not get wrong. It's a very thin vacuum and mop. It's a powerful vacuum and mop. So no need for me to clean up my home. This vacuum will do the rest. Now this vacuum is randomly cleaning my home. See? I have 3 children. Well, this vacuum helps really well to clean up my floor, especially the carpet, as you see. The carpet and then the tile floor. My living area, it has a tile floor, so I need to mop it. With the use of this vacuum cleaner, can mop the floor easily. This thing can last at 100 hours, 2500 milliampere battery. It has a lot of juice that able to clean up your whole house. I highly recommend you guys to get this type of mop vacuum cleaner, iRobot. A beautiful slim and sleek compact iRobot vacuum and mop combo. And that's the docking stations. I use a power bank, a rechargeable power bank. Perfect, look at that. I use only a low pressure setting with the turbo suctions. See? But if I put medium setting for the tiles, it's gonna soak my tiles. But low setting for wire, for the mop, it helps you to clean your tiles. See? Tiles already been cleaned up. I don't have any problem right now. With the help of that vacuum mop, really remarkable product. I highly recommend you guys. See, my tiles is all very clean right now. I can tell you guys, it's very hard if you guys have a lot of children. I have 3 children. Look at that. Look at that. The mopping power. That's a low setting. Look. Very nice. Very nice. Look at my floor.
Okay, well, I got the magic robot vacuum for my wife. It's actually a wet dry one, so it'll mop the linoleum here. And my wife has OCD and vacuums every day. She doesn't know what she's going to do now. She absolutely loves it. So, husband of the year again. I mean, win for us. The dogs aren't even freaked out by it, so this is perfect. Yeah, that's her laughing in the background.
1988? Seriously? Yeah. I'm still jerking off to Samantha Fox. Alright, well, serious question. Would you rather fuck Samantha Fox in a party, but she's wearing a Barbara Bush dress? Or fuck Barbara Bush? Second, 1988. But we get to have Samantha's looking at you full eye contact.
I never knew vacuuming could be fun. This is quite entertaining though.
This is where Elvis lives when he's not cleaning my floors.